Welcome back to the MyBB Beginner series. In this video, I'll show you how to create your first forum categories and boards so you can start organizing your community topics. Log into your admin panel, then navigate to Forums and Posts on the top menu and click Forums Management. This is where you create and organize your forum structure. Click Add New Forum. For the forum type, select Category. Give your category a name, for example, General Discussion or Support, then click Save Forum. Now, let's add a board inside your new category. Click Add New Forum again, but this time choose Forum as the type. Give the board a name such as Introductions or FAQ. From the Parent Forum drop-down, select the category you just created. You can add a description if you want. Click Save Forum. Visit your forum homepage to see how your categories and boards look to your users. You can always add more forums or reorganize as your community grows. You can control who sees and posts in each forum. Click Edit Permissions next to a forum. Set permissions for different user groups, like guests, registered members, or moderators. Don't forget to save your changes. That's it for setting up your forum categories and boards. In the next video, we'll customize your forum's look by installing and switching themes. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.